Hello and welcome back to another video by Seen Through Cars. Today we are test driving a BMW 325 XXi. Under the hood there is a straight 6-cylinder petrol engine. This one produces 192 horses and 245 Newton meters of torque. This car has all-wheel drive, therefore the X stands in the name. The color is somehow black, I don't know. It's the touring version and it's run on winter tires. Something very cool at the BMW Tourings is this feature. You can open the glass only. It is for fast loading or something like that. So let's start the test drive. In here we got some lovely leather. I don't know the color, but it is beautiful and the seats are really comfy. Oh, we have to listen to the startup. It is warm, but it sounds really cool. Yeah, of course it is not a M3, but it has literally a similar engine. It is not quite the same engine, of course. The M3 is naturally aspirated and this one has a turbocharged engine, but it sounds quite good, I think. But it might be because the exhaust has a hole, I don't know, but it sounds good. The automatic transmission is a little problem at BMWs those times. It comes from GM and it only was made for about 300 to 400 Newton meters of torque, I think. And yeah, you know, at this car it is alright, but it's quite alright because it only produces 245. Oh, he's pissing there. Huh. This car only produces 245 Newton meters of torque. So the automatic transmission can cope with this power, but diesel engines, especially the 3.0, they are often reaching the border, and then they got break the transmission, literally. Therefore they got a bad reputation. Yeah. But I think this one, or especially this car, works quite well. It has a little bit of rust, but yeah, you can repair that. We got xenon lights. Yeah, this is a 5-speed automatic transmission and it is really cool, I think. Some wooden style trims here, but of course it's plastic. Yeah. Heated seats and so on. This car is really a lot of fun to drive. As we have heard before, I don't know if the GoPro catches the sound, but it sounds decent good and it makes a lot of fun, this car. Every time you floor it, it accelerates really good. Of course, it's not a super sports car, but I mean they are used cars and they are really reliable. The combination of the price and the power is really good, and or you get a lot of car for very little money, I think. So yeah, due to the coronavirus, there is not, or there's very little traffic right now, so we don't have any car to overtake or stuff. Yeah, but we will accelerate fast in a minute. The car is already about to be warm. I've driven it before some kilometers. The water temperature says it's on its standard temperature, but yeah, you know, water temperature is not well temperature, but it should be quite alright. So I can switch here to manual mode, but yeah, it doesn't really work that good anymore, or it doesn't work anymore, I think. But it changes into sport at least. So yeah, we will have a full throttle, 60, 80, oh lovelies, 100, yeah. Now I've taken away the accelerator because, whoa, revving it up to 6,500 RPM, lovely, really, really cool car. Oh yeah, this is really, yeah, it's, no, I cannot describe it, it's really cool. Wow, as it is a really good daily, really. A touring car, you can go skiing and go biking, have a family trip with your kids and your wife and so on, and still have fun. Yeah, and it might be a little bit understatement driving this car, because there are so many 380Ds or even 360Ds out there. Oh yeah, and often the other drivers think this is a similar one, only producing 120 horses or stuff, but yeah, it does a little bit more. Of course, as I said in the beginning, it is not an M3, but it is what it is, I would say here. Really lovely car. Sporty steering, it is direct. Of course, having a BMW, the suspension is harder than in other cars. You get used to this, but it makes fun, of course. BMW's slogan is having fun while driving, or something like that. I don't know. I'm not the best English speaker, but yeah, you really have fun at driving, even at those low budget cars like a 325 Xi. It is really alright. And if you got a lot of money or a little bit more, then you can afford an M3 and a BMW e46 M3 with 343 horses is like, oh, it is so, oh, it is gorgeous, this car, the M3. starting position. Now I will end this POV review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and maybe subscribe or hit the subscribe button. Comment for some more stuff, and if you got a cool car around or near my area, I will go to you and of course test it as well. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a fantastic day. Goodbye.